It is currently 3:53 p.m. In case you can't tell, it is currently 3:53 p.m. on a Thursday in the afternoon, and I just had a shower, as you can probably tell by my hair. It's still puffy because I washed it. Now, just in case you don't believe me, it is about 4 p.m. and I have just returned home from a 12-hour shift and a 2-hour to and from work, so in total 14 hours, and as you can probably tell, I'm tired. But I want to make a point in this video, and I want to make it quick and snappy for you to understand. So if you're a beginner content creator, if you're a beginner content creator and you are struggling to find bits and bobs of time, currently, like I said in the introduction, it's about 4 p.m. right now, and I have to go to bed at 6 p.m. because I have to wake up at 2 a.m. in order to go to work tomorrow, and I would like my 8 hours sleep so my brain can function properly. Now, the reason I am saying this is because right now I am currently sacrificing maybe 5 or 10 minutes to make this quick and easy video for you in order to make a YouTube video today, which is good for me and whoever watches it, as long as they get valuable information. And that's cool. It doesn't matter how long the video is, as long as it's given in a direct format and it's very clear. Now, the reason I highlighted what the time was and how many hours I have left, which is 2, I want to give you a very clear example of what it takes to be a content creator outside of your job, and this is sacrifice. Because understand, and this is sacrifice. You have to sacrifice for fun things. There's a billion other things I want to do right now 1, I am hungry. 2, I want to go play a video game. 3, I really want to see the new Ashoka Star Wars film that came out. And 4, my girlfriend introduced me to a new series and it's pretty cool. I'd much rather go do these 4 things. I have to go to the gym, and I'm probably not going to have time to read anything because I just don't have enough time in today. However, I want you to understand the point that creating content will be your most valuable thing you can do, whether it's 3, 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever it may be. Make a clear and concise message you want to get across to your audience so you can help at least one person. So the point of today's video is sacrifice your time, even if you have a tiny amount of time. Today I've only had 2 hours to do anything after a 14-hour day. So just go create something for someone, do the best